Yo, yo, tubers! I got a chili recipe here. I'm going to show you how to make white mushroom pound, 3 or 4 jalapenos, less if you don't like the heat. About 4 or 5 sticks of celery, 1 large yellow onion, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of kidney beans, 3 cups chili beans, and a green pepper, diced tomatoes and green chilies, and a cup of tomatoes diced, 3 bell peppers. Color doesn't matter. £1.5 of lean ground beef, and 1 large skillet. So first, I'm gonna add the mushroom because this is gonna float. This mushroom will float. Sorry, headphone users. This mushroom's gonna float to the top. It's also gonna shrink, so we want it down on the bottom. Next, I'm going to add the jalapenos. Extra seeds, probably don't need them. It's pretty freaking hot as it is. You could add a couple habaneros if you really like the heat. Next, why not the onion? Hopefully got enough room in here. Sorry about the banging, I'm sorry. Peppers. All these are gonna shrink and gonna lose water and float. I mean, lose water and get soft and be there. So I'm gonna add some beans. Looks like we're running out of room. Some beans. Next can of beans. Sorry about the mess in the kitchen. If your kitchen ain't messy, then you are not cooking. Kitchen ain't messy, you're not cooking. So this is gonna taste delicious. I mean, everybody loves this chili. You don't have to go. Here's some kidney beans. I don't know if I mentioned this. I mentioned the kidney beans. Kidney beans, 3 cans of chili beans. Gotta have beans in it. It's not chili without the beans. Here's a little diced tomato. This is not needed, but it adds texture and some flavor. Here's the diced tomatoes. Looks like we're gonna be all the way up to the top. Celery. I don't know if I got enough room here, guys. Celery. So, lean ground beef. Yeah, this is too much. Can't even put this on. There we go. Making a good old mess here. So there's our beef. And final ingredient, B8 juice, original, and of course the brown sugar. So you usually you need a bigger pot for this. This is way too small, but fill it up with your B8 juice at this point, and I would come to right about here to the top. Add your brown sugar, stir, and let it simmer. I like to bring it to a boil to help with flavoring. It really releases the oils and stuff out of the jalapeno pepper. So, yeah, let's see if I can add this to it. I can't even get the cap off. Okay. Now this is delicious. This VA juice is what is like the secret ingredient, I should say. And with right now VA juice. Need more. So there you have it. Your brown sugar. Put on top so that way it all trickles down to the bottom and throughout the whole pot. And there you have it. Sure it's gonna be delicious. Let me know what you think of the recipe. Yo, I'm cooler. So. Okay, I'm back here. I got a bigger pot, which helps. But if we take a look at this and give it a little stir, that's about what it consists of. If you see anything wrong here, I mean, like, see these peppers, you could probably dice them. But I tried doing this differently this time, and the onion I did different. I made them longer. Probably dice them next time. It's always nice to get a spoonful of everything in it. But I was taking a look at it, I don't see too many beans in there, so went out, got some more beans, add some more chili beans. So there's 1 can chili beans. I'm adding 3 more cans. So you gotta have the right mixture. If you don't, you can reduce this. I mean, instead of 3 bell peppers, I would do maybe just 1 and a half an onion, not a whole onion. Yeah, 1 can of kidney beans more added to it, but here it is. I'm gonna have her boil. Now I'm gonna turn it down to medium-low heat and let it simmer. And we're gonna let the water cook off the chili. See, that's a better consistency of beans ratio there, better bean ratio. See that? See there? Oh, there's lots of beans. It's chili, you gotta have your beans. So, this is a really big pot. As you can see, here's my spoon and there's the pot. It's big. So, this is a lot better. You don't have to make this much, but yeah. It's fall time. It's fall, I gotta have my chili. So the mushrooms are cut in half, by the way. I gotta mention that. Also, I added like about a tablespoon of minced garlic to the meat when I browned it. And also added pepper to the meat. I did not add no onion because, or mushroom, I want that all to cook inside the pot. Because I want to release its flavors and juices into this right here. So chili, one thing to make sure is it can't be too thick, it can't be too thin, and this is looking just about right. I think it needs to be boiled off. I'm going to boil off some of the water, which is going to give it a richer taste, and we'll check when it's done. Okay, here we are, about almost 2 hours later, and it's boiled down some. The flavor has been mixed. Mushrooms have shrunk. Onions are soft. peppers are soft. There's my bowl. I'm gonna try some. This is the point where, well, I already tried it, but this is the point where you take a little bit of juice and you give it a taste. Yeah, so a little bit of heat there and some sugar makes it just right. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of hot. If you feel at this point in time that you need to add some more sugar, feel free and add more brown sugar. If you think it needs more heat, add another jalapeno if you need to, and it will spice it up, kick it up a notch. Now, I didn't use chili powder in this, and it turned out great. Secret is V8 juice. So, hope you enjoyed, and comment below what you think. Give it a like. Wish you could taste it, but unfortunately we don't have taste division. So, see you later. Yo, tubers.